nagpapaganda? Last October 12, 2013, Skin Rejuve opens their latest branch in San Juan City, wherein they feature an array of high-tech machines for your beautification.
Skin Rejuve Elite is one of the latest branch of Skin Rejuve group of companies, and what differentiates Skin Rejuve Elite from our other branches is that it offers highly specialized slimming treatments and a wide array of luxurious facials.
Skin Rejuve is an aesthetic center wherein professional medical staff will assist you in your modern cosmetic procedures. They also utilize machines that can give you better and faster results.
One of our highly specialized treatment is the laser lipo, which includes cavitation, that is good for fat bursting, the low-level laser technology, which is good for further fat bursting, and the radiofrequency, which is good for toning, tightening, and lastly is endermology for final elimination of toxins.
So what are you waiting for? Punta na sa Unit 5, PTTC Center, 288 Ortigas Ave, Corner Roosevelt Street, San Juan City, and you may contact them at 386-7083. This portion has been brought to you by Skin Rejuve Elite, the beauty handled by experts within your reach.
We hope na in our own special